What's up, y'all? Oh man, here we have. Welcome back to the channel. This must be my lucky month. Nothing but Evos. Oh man, today's video should be a special. Got an Evo 10 review. In my last Evo video, I was talking about, man, I should get the CTR over the Evo. Now, we're in the big body Evo. Evo 10. What's up, man? How was the drive? Not too bad. Woo! Man, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. What year is this?
2011.
2011. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
2011 Evo 10. How does it sound? Oh, you got a good clutch in here. Oh,
it's
yeah.
stock clutch, but
that's stock clutch.
That's stock clutch, but I swapped out the clutch master to an Evo 8 clutch master because the ones on here they're plastic and they go.
That would make sense. That would make sense.
Send it up to like 4,000 and just let her eat.
Let her eat. Let her eat, bro.
Let her eat to like 73.
Oh man, I haven't been in the Evo 10 since my ex-girlfriend's Evo 10, and that was a bone stock 10. That was what, 3-4 years ago, I think. Oh man. Oh man, I'm gonna love this already. Oh my god. So he done drove, what, how long was it?
Like 2.5 hours?
2.5 hours away to let me drive his Evo. That's crazy. Because he saw my video when I drove the, what is it, 8? And I was considering, like, getting the CTR over the Evos. Because I was like, well, you know what I mean? Like, CTR is newer, it's more reliable, yada, yada, yada. And then he was like, hold on, you drove an 8. You ain't driving 10, baby. And the way how he got this 10 it's an incredible story. Like, go ahead and tell the story. Like, it was Copart and bro, it's crazy.
Yeah, so I got the car off of Copart about like, I don't know, a year and a couple months now. And the last owner, you know, he blew up the engine running Cobb.
Yeah, what'd you say? If you have an Evo, don't run Cobb.
Don't run Cobb. He blew it up. He got the engine replaced. And I don't know why, but he was running a different tire in each corner. And he hydroplaned on the highway, sent it into the rail, and that was that. And I picked it up. So 2011, I got it with like 40,000 miles, brand new engine.
Damn. And it only got what, 10,000 miles on it? It's 52,000 miles on it right now.
Yeah. It has.
But the motor is like, yeah, what, 10,000 miles on it, you say?
Yeah, just about.
Damn, bro. Brand new 4B11. Stock turbo bolt-ons, right? What bolt-ons you have? What, full bolt-ons? Intake?
Full bolt-ons, except for the intercooler and upgraded wastegate. But
that's it. Everything else is done. And it's making around 400 and some change?
Yeah, like 401.
401, okay. It feels good too. Like, it wants to go. Like, that torque is crazy.
It likes it.
God, man. You can just hear that blow up. And that's still a stock blow valve or
no,
upgraded?
No, this is upgraded.
Upgraded?
This is, Tile QRJ.
Oh, okay. Tile blow up. That's it, bro.
Yeah, tile's the way to go.
I want to go boost. Everyone's like, yo, bro, we ain't gonna boost the tag. We ain't gonna boost the RSX. Like, I wanted to boost the RSX, right? That was the goal. And then I was talking to our tuner Javi, and he was like, you got to do a sump. I was like, whoa, bro. I thought I could throw a kit on it, you know, do a return system on it, because the RSX are returnless systems. Yeah. And we got to add sumps and different, I ain't with all that, bro.
The associated cost to it.
Yeah, bro. I was like, I'd rather just buy a car that already boosted and I can just upgrade it from there. And that's the reason why I want to just, you know, just hop right into one of my dream cars. I don't mind, you know, doing like payments and stuff if it's something that I'm passionate about. Oh, god damn. Man, it feels so good. want an Evo. Bro, I'm ready to buy, bro, you have no idea. Like, I would literally go to bed watching Evo videos, bro.
Yeah,
just getting my mind around, like, bro, it's about to happen. I feel it. Like, when you know something's about to come into fruition, you know, bro. Yeah. Like, you always been an Evo fan, I'm assuming? Always? So when you got this car, like, you was already on the market looking for Evos and stuff?
I was looking for one, and I don't know, if you're not on Facebook Marketplace finding good deals,
bro.
That's why I turned to Copart.
Copart.
Or any auction site, really. Because they got good stuff on there. I mean, if I'm never selling this car my entire life. I'm keeping this car the rest of my life.
That's it, bro.
So the rebuild title, I didn't care about.
Don't care about. Nope.
And I never didn't care about it because I fixed everything.
Yeah, you fixed it. Yeah, exactly.
I know what's done.
Yeah, that's why I try to tell like the homies and stuff, like, bro, if you plan on really like my buddy Randy, he has his RS6 that got in an accident. I don't think he's ever gonna sell that car. You know what I mean? Like, the title's still clean because like the insurance agent, like, he looked out for him. Like, oh, you're a car guy, I'm gonna look out for you. You know what I mean? But it's like when you buy a car, like when I buy a car, I buy the car with the intent of keeping it forever. You know what I mean? Because like if I want to put money in something, like my passion into something, I can't see myself getting rid of it. And like knowing what you did with replacing the quarter panel subframe, you know everything.
It's such an attachment to the car.
That's it, bro. It's like that attachment feel, like, bro. Oh man, I know that's how I feel with my Integra. I can never sell my Integra. The amount of money won't be worth it to me because that car taught me that car built my channel up. You know, I'm able to do things like this. You know what I mean? That car was everything. That car is like literally everything. I have attachment issues when it comes to letting shit go that I put passion into. What made you get like the 10 over like the 9 or the 8?
Well, I found, honestly, like, my dad saw the 8. It's like, that's an old ass car. Don't get that fucking car.
Yeah.
I don't mean to curse, but.
No, you're good.
My dad is like, that's an old car. I don't want you to get that car. I was like, but I really want it. Actually, I almost bought a 9. But he said no, and I was like, what? You know what? I was like, you probably got a point, because like, you know, I haven't bought an Evo yet, so I didn't know how reliable they were.
Yeah.
So I was like, maybe that is, you know, patience.
Yeah, patience is a virtue. Yep.
Exactly. And it was 100% worth it to get this car over an 8 or 9.
That's crazy. That's so crazy. Newer. Clutch engagement. God, that's so good, man. So good.
Like I was like, I mean, sometimes it still feels like a dream to have this car.
Yeah, like, that's how I can't wait for that shit.
Yeah.
I already know. I'm gonna just look at it. I'm gonna just like look at it every day. Just like, go outside, just look at it. Yeah, like,
the only thing I've gotten used to is the power.
That's it.
I came from a Lancer, 2.4 liter Lancer, and I got in this car, and I mean, it was stock, but I don't know, like, it just felt so amazing, bro. Like, it was so
just
good.
a different dynamic. You know what I mean? Like, something different. That's how I'm gonna feel when I have a boosted car from not having a boosted car for so long. That's exactly how I'm gonna feel. Yeah, you don't buy an Evo
money was dumped in there.
You don't buy an Evo for an interior, bro.
Never.
I hate when people are like, oh yeah, I bought this car in the interior. So I'm like, bro, you didn't buy that car.
If you want good interior, go buy a Subaru.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And if you want to throw anything on your car and blow that bitch up, and the day later, buy a Subaru. You know what I mean? Like, bro, anytime you get a Subaru, you gotta always like tune it.
Bro,
like, dude, any part.
You get a Subaru, and it's so funny because every Subaru guy I know, the Evo group chat is mixed with Subaru guys, so we all talk shit in there. Bro, everybody, every single time they get a Subaru, it's like, the first thing on their mind is like, all right, when do I gotta build this engine?
Yep.
Because it's like, bro, it's gonna blow up.
Yep.
But I'll tell you what, 2019 and above, I know someone making 420, 400 torque. Bro, it's holding together. And I'm 2019. I got the revised pistons, revised engine.
Oh, so they got like everything all.
Yeah, 2019. Subaru's got their shit figured out, but everything before that,
garbage.
It's taking time.
And my favorite Subaru is the hatch model. The 2000,
bro, mine too.
That's my favorite. The hatch looks so goddamn good, dude.
I love that thing. But you want a nice interior? Go buy a Subaru. You want to send the piston to that dyno you're on? Go buy a Subaru. I'll tell you one thing though, this is like, I feel like nobody talks about this, but it's so true. Like, I figured it out. You drive an Evo, bro, and your ego shoots.
Yo, I'm sure. It's just like, bro, you're in a car that like a lot of people like. It's a sought after car.
Yeah.
Like it really is. No matter what year Evo you have, people want that car. You know what I mean?
I got friends that call this car the Ego.
Evo done gave me the damn ego. Feel
like
good, yeah.
It sounds like a bad thing, bro.
But no,
like,
it's good, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like in the Honda world, we would say that's what it feels like having a K series car on boost.
There you go.
You got like, yeah, like you want to race me if you want to. All right.
It's like no one really drives these cars. Like not a lot of people have them.
Yeah.
Like you see Mustangs everywhere.
Everywhere. People love them American muscles.
Mustangs, Chargers, Camaros, like they're everywhere. Evos, you don't see them much.
Yeah.
Off the road.
You really don't, man, at all. So when you do see one, it's like, oh shit, an Evo.
Yeah. Exactly.
You always get that, like, you always get that reaction.
Yeah.
You always get that. Oh shit, it's an Evo. Oh shit, Evo. The stigma around Evo is like, oh, you're gonna blow this, you're gonna blow that, blah 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 blah. But it's like, I'm not launching. I'm never gonna like launch my car because I don't trust myself ever. Like, I'm not doing that. And like, Evo to me is it's a goal. So it's like I want to reach that goal. Like, oh, so I'm gonna buy an Evo. People who've been watching my videos for forever, they know like all he talks about is Evo. All he talks about is Evo. Yeah, so it's like I want, like, that's a goal of mine. You know what I mean? I'm doing it for the goal, and it's my dream car.
I think I was watching your channel before you even had this car.
God damn.
Yeah.
That, oh shit.
No, I've been watching your car for a really long time. Like,
when I was like on the turbo days, the beat series days, you know, the car was clapped out, I was blowing motors every week. Yep, those were the days, bro. Those were the days. Damn, it hits corners good too. I like that. It gets handling perfect. God, this feels good. Can definitely track this car.
Yeah, bro. 100%.
Can definitely track this car. Watching a couple of videos and it was like, yeah, I'm happy I got the 10 over the 9 and the 8. I'm like, damn.
Like
I can see myself in both, to be honest.
Yeah, like some people say like, oh, you got the 10 because you couldn't get the 9 or the 8 or whatever. But like,
which is not the case at all because they're the same price.
Yeah, they're
literally the same price.
Yeah.
And like you're buying something newer, like it's like that fact of like, okay, if I buy the 8 or 9, it's not gonna be that model. I might have the issues with this, that, then the third. And then you buy the 10, it's like you're gonna
trust it. I mean,
yeah, and you're gonna buy something with low miles anyway. They're, like most of them, when you buy them, they're under 100,000 miles.
Yeah.
Any Evo 8 over, you're looking at 130, 140, 160, 170.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You know what I mean? You're gonna have more miles on it for the same price. Come on, it makes more sense. Time for some brake boost action, man. My overall review of the Evo 10, it's nice. It's stupid nice. Like compared to driving the 8, like this feels, it doesn't feel more refined. More refined, like me sitting in the driver's seat, which is nice. Woo! Yeah, I didn't do that at all. yeah, okay, you drive, yeah. That's how you drive. God damn. January, February, I'm getting an Evo, bro. Full sending, bro. I'm gonna start the year off right. I'm full sending on an Evo, bro.
Now you gotta make the decision, 8, 9, or 10.
Don't, whatever I can afford, whatever, like, bro, this amount of money I got, whoever's selling me this shit first, I'm in there. I don't care.
You can do that. People do that on Facebook.
Yeah, like, bro, I got this much money. Sell me your Evo.
Yeah.
I know I'm gonna have to fly out of state for one. I feel like it. Yep, it's me again, recording off my phone because I often forget to record an outro on my actual camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to give a huge thank you and shout out to the homie Moises for driving his car down, letting me review it. Bro, he drove 2.5 hours to let me drive his Evo 10. Beautiful. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. If you guys want to see photos and know more information about the car, I'll leave his Instagram name on the screen. Be sure to follow him, show him some love, and yeah, thank you, brother. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. I love each and every single one of you guys, and let me know what you think. Is the Evo 10 better than this Evo 8/9? Sound off in the comments below. Let's get the chat thumping, bumping, you hear? And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.